baby bafethu sike Nkabi Records again angizwa ngithola siphethe namhlanje
ama-grapes
ama-grapes amnandi
ngithi sadla ama-grapes
sadakwa
sadakwa
angizwa ngithola mfethu
bathi ujinja intwana encane epolitrick intwana yasegomtown ngesorot abanye bathi ama-grapes ngithi awayishodi ngejuice ngamane kushoda amanzi uyithanda kanjani ipicappuccino batheni
angizwa ngithola danko mawuhlanganiswa yini Norris Madlisa mfethu
ayish mfethu songibuze enye question but we brothers bafethu yabo singabobhuti mina Norris we close we relatives like ngathini siyi-family kahle kahle nginegazi lerodo phakathi yangithola ngithini so into emuvayo kahle kahle angeke sibancishe yabo
danko njaya manje naku-album umkhulu iyiphi track ekushayelayo
yo amkhulushanga ngawo wonke mfethu yabo khulubulale ngawo wonke that's why nami ngelaya yabo that's why ngunkabe records yabo that's why ngizoyishubisa otherwise umkhulushaya ngayo yonke into ufana nami umuntu oshaya amahit angeke ngikwazi ukuchuza yabo ushaya yonke into
manje sibana uyosibona phezu kwaso mhlawumbe umuntu oqala ukukubona namhlanje imiphi imisebenzi yakho mhlawumbe abantu bayayazi imisebenzi yakho kodwa abazi ukuthi uwena
ebafethu ngicela si-check-eni la yabo sinama-artist abhaya including abo-Buster 929 including abo-Jezik including abo-Pura abo-Siene including abo-Dos and like ngathi industry yamapiano mina ngiyi-piano artist mara ngiyi-hip hop artist kahle kahle ngu-music nje yami into eyifunayo uzoyithola
yo zonke bonke
angithola ngithini
akukho kwamahhala
danko
nja yami
bathi kwenzakalani
manje from now on yini esingayilindela kuwena nja yami
ngine-track elizayo yabo elifuna ukuthi uma ugodola nyana ucala ukhumbule ungashaya itiye babuze kahle ukuthi ipicappuccino yangithola ngizokutshela ukuthi igama le-track icappuccino coming ney'ntwana zami abo-Buddy K abo-Boy Biza from Tanzania with Uncle Waffles siyenza i-movement bafethu piano is not a music I can say it's a lifestyle bafethu uma ufuna ukwazi ipiano i-lifestyle nje yami akusu music cola mina ngicole wena
Kwana nje yami ihome run noma ngiba PMP umthito ongahambi yedwa ke kahambe yedwa ohlale engahambi yedwa uhamba nabantu abadala all the way from le episode respect kamgwagwa angizwa ngithola mfethu nje yami siyabonga kakhulu
thank you nje yami ngibonga wena kakhulu uyazi mnandi ukuba nawe nje
one love
ama-grapes nje yami
uyangithola ama-grapes amnandi
sadla ama-grapes sadakwa sadla ama-grapes sadakwa abantu sebadakiwe kumnandi ukuba sekhaya
angithi uyangithola
Alexander
hey
danko